Hello everyone, so for today's video is I will be showing and I will be teaching you how to calculate the compass error using the deviation and the variation. So the first thing to do is let us identify what is the direction of our variation and our deviation. So if rule number 1, if our variation and our deviation has same name or same direction, we will add. And if our variation and our deviation has different names, we should subtract. So regarding the direction of our compass error, what should we follow? So if the same name, we'll just copy the direction of our variation and our deviation. So for example, the direction of our variation is west and the deviation is west, then we will put west direction. So if the direction of variation and deviation are different, we will identify what is the direction of the greater value. So for example, variation is 10 degrees east and the deviation is 2 degrees west, then we will follow the direction of our variation since it has the greater value. So now I will show you an example how to calculate the compass error using this rule. So for example, we have our variation which is 9 degrees 52 minutes east and our deviation is 5 degrees and 52 minutes west. What is our compass error? So as we can see, the direction of our variation is east and the direction of our deviation is west. So according to the rule, if different names, we will subtract. So let's subtract variation and deviation. So this will be 0, 0, and then this will be 4 degrees. So now let us identify which among the two has a greater value. So obviously, variation has a greater value. Variation is greater than deviation. So we should follow east. So very easy. That is our compass error, 4 degrees east. So what if we have variation, deviation, we have 2 degrees and 0, 1 west, 3 degrees 0, 5 west. What is our compass error? So according to rule number 1, if same name, we should add. So this will be 6 and this will be 5. So the direction will be copied west. So very easy. So that is the easiest way to calculate our compass error using our variation and deviation. So now, what if variation is the missing value? Then the deviation and the compass error are given. So I will show you an example. So for example, we have our compass error which is 3 degrees west and we have variation is unknown and the deviation is also given 12 degrees and 52 minutes west. So what should we do? So this time we cannot apply this rule anymore. So in order for us to calculate this one easily, we should illustrate. So first, I will show you the illustration of our variation deviation, and compass error. So as we all know, the true north to magnetic north is our variation, and magnetic north to compass north is what we call the deviation, and the angle from true north to compass north is what we call the compass error. So now let's illustrate this problem. First is let us put true north. So true north to compass north is what we call the compass error. So as what we can see, the compass error's direction is west. So west, which means the left side of our true north is the west, and the right side of our true north is what we call east. So since this is west, let us put the compass north here, and this one here, true north to compass north, is our compass error. So this is 3 degrees west. This is our compass error. So deviation. Let us illustrate the deviation. So deviation is the angle between the magnetic north and the compass north. So now let's illustrate our deviation. So as what we can see, our deviation is 12 degrees and 52 minutes west. Since we already have our compass north here, we cannot put our magnetic north here because our direction is west. If we put our magnetic north here, for example, this is our magnetic north. If we put that here, then magnetic north to compass north will be east. So we will put our magnetic north here. Magnetic north. So as we all know, magnetic north to compass north is what we call the deviation, right? So since we already have 3 degrees west here, what should be this angle in order for us to get 12 degrees and 52 minutes west? So this angle here will be 9 degrees and 52 minutes, because 9 degrees and 52 minutes plus 3 degrees is 12 degrees and 52 minutes west. So from magnetic north to compass north will be 12 degrees and 52 minutes west. So this one, magnetic north to compass north, is 12 degrees to 52 minutes west. So as we can see, the direction is to the left side, so our direction is west. So obviously, our variation is the angle from true north to magnetic north, which means 9 degrees and 52 minutes is our variation. Now, what is the direction? In order for us to identify the direction of our variation, true north to magnetic north is the angle of our variation. So this one here, as you can see, the arrow is going to the right, which means our direction will be east. So very easy. So third example is, what if deviation is missing? So for example, we have our compass error 1 degrees and 30 minutes west, and our variation is 5 degrees and 06 minutes west. What is our deviation? So same as the second example, we should first illustrate the problem. So this is our true north. Then true north, the compass north is the compass error. So as you can see, our compass error is westerly, which means we should put our compass north in the left side of our true north. So true north, the compass north is our compass error 1 degree and 30 minutes west. This is our compass error. So now let's illustrate the variation. So true north to magnetic north is our variation. So true north to magnetic north, the direction of our variation is west, which means our magnetic north should be at the right side of our true north. So since we already have 1 degree and 30 minutes west and the variation is also west, we can put our magnetic north here. So how much can we add to 1 degree and 30 minutes west in order for us to get the total variation, which is 5 degrees and 6 minutes west? So 5 degrees and 06 minutes west. Let us subtract 1 degree and 30 minutes west. Let's try to subtract. Since this is 6 and this is lesser than 30, we can add 60 minutes. So this will be 66 and this will be minus 1 degree, 4. So 66 minus 30, it will be 36 and this will be 3 degrees and 36 minutes west. So we will add 3 degrees and 36 minutes west. So 3 degrees and 36 minutes west plus 1 degrees and 30 minutes west will be 5 degrees and 06 minutes west. So this will be our variation, 5 degrees and 06 minutes west. This is our variation. And this will be our magnetic north. So what is our deviation? As we all know, deviation is measured from magnetic north to compass north. Magnetic north to compass north. From here to here, the arrow will be in this direction. So this angle here, from here to here, is 3 degrees and 36 minutes. So what will be the direction? Since the direction is to the right side, is going to the right, our direction will be east. So that's it. Very easy.